Hey there. I wanted to ask you if you think that you know everything you need to know about crypto. A lot of times everyone wants to get in, but they just don't know where to start and where to stop. And I wanted to let you know that there is a link below that's going to take you to a webinar with two pretty serious cats in the industry that really want to help you succeed in crypto. But it's the real deal. Like, these dudes are real traders. So if you want to really play with the big boys, click the link below, left, right, or wherever, and check it out. And I think you're going to be really happy with your adventure here, because these are dudes that are seriously in crypto, and they'll teach you the right way. Talk to you soon. Hit me up, call me, email me, Susie@laptopmode.com.